Iconic and Incorrigible both come with the ring attached. Also included with each folder is a set of barrel spacers. This video is to show how to replace the ring for the spacers. We will be using a Torx 8 driver. I will be using the Torx T8 driver and remove 4 screws, 2 on the presentation side and 2 on the lock bar side. Once they are removed and the ring is also removed, I will slide in these 2 barrels, align them with these screw holes, and then drop in the screws. Here we go. Now I'm going to slide the barrel in between the frame. I will press down on the frame, take one of the screws, place it in the hole. I'm holding down the frame. And just a little tightness. Don't over tighten because you'll strip the threads. Just a little turn. And there we go. We have 2 barrel spacers on the Iconic instead of the ring. For the Incorrigible, the only difference when I want to replace the ring for the 2 barrels is I have to remove the pocket clip. This will allow me to get to the screw underneath the pocket clip. Then follow the same instructions as Iconic. Remove all 4 screws, slide the barrels into place, gently hold down the frame, screw down one side of the barrels, flip it over, do it again, and then give it a final tightness to the point that where you feel that the screw is tight, just a slight little turn, and that's it. I recommend a drop of purple Loctite on the screws to hold it in place. You don't have to do it, but if you want to use Loctite, use purple, not blue. Important: when you replace the rings for the spacers, or you go back to the ring, always remember not to over tighten the screws. Over tightening the screws, you will strip the threads on either the ring or the spacer or the screw itself. Thank you for watching this instructional video. If you have any questions, give us a call or email us at admin@cruderknives.com. And in the meantime, enjoy your Iconic or Incorrigible, and look for some more of my designs coming in the future. Thank you.